Hi guys, how are you? This is Gio from investmentsavings.co.uk, Managing Director of Zara Capital Limited. And today is 11th of September 2012, time is 5 to 10. And do apologize guys, I haven't been able to upload my videos and my performance the last couple of weeks. First of all, I was away, holidays, summer holidays just finished. And I had a couple of transactions, a couple of unsuccessful transactions, which is still fine. Gosh, I mean, you can see we're just down £200-300. It's nothing. And as you can see from my performance, which I'm uploading, my transactions, you can see how nicely I came out. So all the risks are under management, and that's the most important thing. So I don't really expose myself, and you can see at this stage I have two positions open. They're all live, everything is live, and I'm using only 0.36% of the margin, which is nothing. And as you know from my previous videos, I do mention a couple of times that I base my strategy from defensive and then moving to the offensive. Okay, so overall, what we have here: Euro US dollar bullish, hourly chart bullish, daily chart bullish, and 4-hourly chart bullish. Can change, yes, it can change, but as you know from my previous video, I did mention a couple of times that we're in a business to make money. We're not in a business to predict anything. We have fantastic tools, technical tools, which we apply, and it allows us to do two things: to control our risk management and to attack the currency trends. As one of the wisest traders did mention, did state that if price does ABC, it should do XYZ. If it doesn't, get out. And I just love that saying. So everything is under management, under control, or stop losses are in place. I did put here, as you can see, order for 100,000 on sell at 28.73, which was in the range of resistance 1. It didn't get there. I mean, I can see the confirmation. I mean, 4 hours already passed. Usually, after 4 hours, and so the late Japanese session is in place. Sorry, Australian Japanese / Japanese. And what we have here, I mean, at the moment it's gonna be going slightly lower. I've got two positions open here, and I do apologize, I'm a little bit tired. It's getting 10 o'clock, I'm planning to go to sleep. So yeah, I'm still happy with everything so far. Performance is phenomenal, 82%. For another 7-8 weeks, I'm gonna reach another 20% on the 30,000 which we had in the beginning. As you keep an eye, guys, from all my performance, which has been documented by videos, snapshots and reports, which I update weekly or fortnightly or once every month. Like I haven't been able to update, as I told you I was away, and now I'm back in London. So so basically at the moment, yes, two things I'm gonna be keeping an eye on is German courts gonna be coming into agreement of authorizing purchase of ECM, and also huge possibility that America will unveil third phase of quantitative easing, basically printing money out of thin air. Also, for the first time in the history of the United States, the debt has overreached, government debt has overreached 16 trillion. I'm talking about $16 trillion. It's 16 trillion with T. That's phenomenal. I don't understand how they really managed to be comfortable with that figure. Same happening in Britain. By 2017, we're gonna reach 2 trillion debt burden. So yeah, I mean, overall things are not good throughout Europe, United States. They are really bad. Okay, so if someone comes up and say, oh, we have fantastic data coming up, and say no, still fundamental data shows that there is nothing to be positive about at all. Overall, yes, all the experts, etc., they see euro crashing to 122, etc. But I don't think it's going to be happening soon, because we have election in states, which will weaken the dollar anyway, and a huge possibility that they're going to implement quantitative easing. That Europe will allow purchasing of bonds to relieve the what do you call, the burden on 10-year what do you call it, debt in of Spain and Italy. So yeah, overall things are not great. Well, great for the smart traders, intelligent traders, but economically speaking, no, things will be getting worse. I'm not a doom and gloom guy, but I love realistic approach, statistical approach, economical approach, financial approach, and all the figures, data shows that there is nothing to be positive about at the moment. People ask, what should be done. I did mention that before in my previous videos, that Greeks, they were supposed to default ages ago. I would say 2 years ago they were supposed to default. They didn't. They're going to be dragging them, etc. And now they want them to sell islands. I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, how can you sell islands? These are your homeland. The islands belong to you. I mean, look, Greeks, they have fantastic economy. What I mean by that, I said their economy is based on tourism. So basically, they sell beautiful weather to you, and nice sunny beaches, and fresh air, fresh water, food, everything. I mean, this is this is what the Greece is all about. I'm not also talking about the philosophical intelligence. Democracy was introduced by them. Lots of philosophical schools, etc., and rich history, everything, beautiful country. I don't understand how they can get to that level where people are jumping from the roofs because they can't support the families, and the government is looking our way. And you know that I did mention that. So government take control of your mind. So government doesn't really care about you at all. They just care about their power to maintain their power grip. Anyway, so as I did mention as well before, that those of you guys who are happy to see what I do and very interested at my work, please do get in touch with me. Send me emails, call me. Send me your propositions, business propositions. I'm more than happy to review them. We can become partners, etc. In this business, sky's the limit. Lots of opportunities, and I believe you already have seen tons of my videos. My performance is all documented with free sources. We see what do you call it? We have video, which you're watching one now. All my performance is uploaded weekly or fortnightly, and also I make snapshots as well. So there are 3 ways of my documented performance. And now, yes, it's already okay. We have resistance moved here, pivot points, okay, support and resistance too. Because 10 o'clock and I use only one platform of XCM. They are the best. I only use them. So yeah, let me just move that level here, 28.97. Sorry guys, let me just do that. 28.97. Let me see, that's been done. Because huge possibility that the price is gonna crash here. Let me just reach this one here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna generate profit on that. That's £37 and another £20, which is fine, £20. So a huge possibility for that to come here, crash on the pivot point. But anyway, So things are great, guys. Anyway, if you think what if you think what I do is great, and you know, you want to get in touch, you know, I'm more than happy to listen to your business propositions. You know, it's a unique market, and one of the fastest growing financial industries in the world, with daily turnover of $5 trillion a day, guys. So, you know, you already know my strategies, how I work, what we do. Everything is documented, so it's not, pardon my French, bullshit. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. I'm gonna be uploading a new video on Friday, this week on 14th, and we'll see where I'm gonna be with my equity and balance. Thank you, guys. Good night.